Hey designer, Alex here. Welcome to this course about Inception design system for Adobe XD. If you want to check out the full playlist with all the videos, make sure to click here or to click down in the description below. Link is going to be there. So enjoy this lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about animated icons, why they are important and why they are awesome to use inside of Adobe XD. So let's get started. So here we are once again inside of the master file of Inception design system, and if I zoom in a little bit closer, we have icons right here, but all of these icons are actually static and all of these icons are not moving. So you can use these static icons when you are designing and when you're creating mockups for your clients, just for your clients to get the general idea as to how this design is going to look like. I already explained in one of the previous videos about how can you edit these icons, how can you change them. Basically just open up this master component and paste your icon inside and then update it in real time. It's going to update wherever that icon is located inside of this design system. But once again, these are static, they are not moving, they are not animated. So how can you actually work with animated icons? So that's where this comes in handy. All of these icons that you see right here, so all of these icons are actually have their animated version here. So every time when you want to add the animated icon, you can find it right here. So let me show you. If I click right here and show you that, or if I simply open up my atoms and molecules, go right here where it says icons, you can see all the names of these icons. So this is the price tag dot dash icon, this is the home icon, this is refresh icon, and all of these icons, and you can find all of them right here as well. So if I hit P and find it right here, so we have price tag icon JSON, we have it right here. And if I press enter on my keyboard to open it up, it's going to open up the Google Chrome page in my case because I wired it up like that, and Google Chrome is my default browser, and you can see a bunch of code. But what does this bunch of code even mean? Well, it's actually quite simple to do. So what you can do is come right here where it says plugins, or you can use Shift Control or Command P. You can click right there, and what you actually need is Lottie files, because all of these icons are actually Lottie files and they're created to be Lottie files. And what Lottie files is native integration with Adobe XD for animated icons. What you can do is create a free account on Lottie files and you have all of these awesome animations. So you can simply drag and drop them in place, and when you hit play, when you wire up everything with your prototype, and I have a bunch of tutorials on my YouTube channel and in my courses, you can also check that out. What you can do is simply wire them up and they are going to work quite fine. When it comes the time for exporting them, what you can do is open them up on Lottie Files website. Well, you can create a free account, as I said, and when you do, it's going to export as this JSON file. That's all of that bunch of code that you saw just previously. So you can share this JSON file with your developers and they can quite easily take this code, they can change this code, they can apply it, they can do whatever you want, or you can open up these icons inside of the Lottie Files website and change the colors yourself. You can also change the speed yourself and then export it back and then use it in XD. So let me show you how that works. So here we are at Lottie Files website, and I'm going to go to my dashboard right here. And what you can do is where it says upload animation, you can click right there, or you can take this folder that you got and price tag icon, drag and drop it into here, and once it updates and animates, you can see how it looks like. So what you can do right here is you can convert it to GIF if you want to, or you can click edit animation. So when you do, it's going to open up this Lottie editor, and let me hide myself just so you can see what I'm doing. What you can do is come right here where it says background color, and you can change this color. So let's say I want to use this color, click outside and update. Now it's going to be this color, or I can go back and change that to be that color. Or you can work with your design system and you can come right here, go to the colors, and let's say I want to use this ocean color. So you can copy this color, then you can go back to here, you can click on this, and where it says hex code, simply paste that hex code in, hit update, and it's going to update and show you that color. What you can also do is play around with speed. So you can click right here, you can adjust it however you want, and once you're ready, you have this button right here. So you can click right there and it's going to start the download, and it's going to download as a JSON file. So it's going to have this ridiculous name, but the whole point of it is it's going to have this price tag icon .json, so it's going to have this .json end, but it's just going to be this name rather than price tag icon. So you have to manually rename this, but it's important this if you're working with these icons, these animated icons with your clients. So once you actually change the color, you can download it, you can change the speed, you can update it, so you can see frame rate right here. You can even change the dimensions if you want to. Make sure to click update, make sure to download right here, and then you can play around with these icons with your client's colors. So once again, once you update all of this, you can go right to here, you can make all of these changes, and then those changes are going to reflect to whatever you've done right here. So that's why these icons are awesome. They are natively integrated, they are going to work quite nicely. So whenever you create your prototype next time, make sure to use these animated icons, because they're going to bring the second life to your project and to your templates. Your clients are going to love them because they are animated. And once again, if you're not if you don't want to be stuck with these icons, you can always go to plugins, install Lottie files. It's completely free. It's free to create an account, it's free to go to this website and to create your account right here. And once you actually upload them, they are going to be stored right here, as you can see. So this is one of the previous one which I created for a tutorial on my channel. You can see it's stored right here, and at any time I can jump inside, I can adjust this animation, I can change all of these colors, I can change the timing, download it, and simply drag and drop it into my Adobe XD. And because we are working with design system, everything is organized and you can simply update it in real time, share it with your clients and developers. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can work with light file of Inception design system, how you can work locally, and then how you can export or share those files with your clients and developers. So I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out the previous one from this playlist, make sure to click right here, or to check out the next one from this playlist, make sure to click right here. If you want to see full playlist for all videos from this course, make sure to check down in the description below. Link for the full playlist is going to be down there in case you missed something.